Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to replace battery in Infiniti or Nissan key fob or intelligent key. This particular key is from 2019 Infiniti QX60, and this key requires one battery CR2032. First, we will need to remove the mechanical key. To remove the mechanical key, you need to move this lever and pull the mechanical key out. Now, there are two slots on this side of the key, and we need to use small flathead screwdriver, insert to those slots and pry it open. It's recommended by the manual to use a piece of fabric to protect the plastic casing. What I do instead, I use masking tape on the top of the screwdriver. But honestly, you can just use a screwdriver. Just make sure it fits well in that slot. Now, we insert the screwdriver into the slot and twist it. And now you can hear the click. It opened the SIM, and we do the same thing this side, and it opened this one as well. Now you can use the same screwdriver and carefully pry it open. Now we have access to the battery. Using a screwdriver, there is an opening right here. You can just pry the battery up and remove the battery. To insert new battery, you need to place it negative up, press it, and it's in. And now you need to reassemble the key. Press two parts together and you will hear click as it snaps together. Make sure it sits properly. And that's it. We have new battery. Now you can reinsert the mechanical key. So we have new battery in the key. Thank you for watching.